Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today it's dishwasher time. This is our house dishwasher, and the problem is that the detergent door has stopped functioning and does not open. It is an easy diagnose, but first of all we need to remove it's a built-in dishwasher, so we have to remove first the cover, which is by 2 screws here, and it lifts up. I'm going to remove that and we will take it from there. In order to remove the front cover, you need to release these two jacks by lifting the whole thing up and remove it. Now we have to take the cover out. There are 4 side screws, 2 on each side. Now this is the detergent dispenser from the back side. I have already removed the solenoid here. I will show it to you afterwards. Now this is held by 6 screws and has 2 connections. We will remove that and compare it to the new one. Here is the old one with the solenoid there, that, as you can see, lifts, opens the front door, and at the same time pumps some rinse aid in the washing machine. The new one is a SMEG listed part. There it is. It looks almost identical, but not the same, of course. This solenoid does have a code on it. There you go. I couldn't find anything for this one as well, which is a pity, as you have to throw the whole thing away because they don't give you the solenoid valve, the solenoid coil. Let's take a quick look how you can test these ones using a multimeter. So our multimeter is in ohms measurements, and we were going to place our probes in the 2 pins of the solenoid, and as you can see, the circuit is totally open. We don't get the measurement at all. If we measure the new one, we get a reading of 1.1 kilo ohms, and that indicates a good working solenoid coil. Let's go ahead and install the new one in the washing machine, and hopefully everything is solved. Before installing the new detergent dispenser, we need to give a good clean on the mating surface to be sure that we don't have any leaks. Now this is the new one installed with its brackets, the temperature sensor, the 2 level wires, and the solenoid valve, the solenoid coil wires. Everything looks okay. Let's put the plate, the metal plate and the wooden cover on and give it a test. Now let's test our repair. Start the program and see if the dispenser will open. I will try to catch the moment that the dispenser opens. We hear the dispenser door. Let's check if it is open. There you go. That was all. Hit the like button if you find this video interesting and subscribe for more DIY adventures. Thank you all and see you on the next one. Bye. Let's put the now this hope you ακούγονται και τα βίτσες. Hope you find it